In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the screen sharing service on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select General, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says Sharing. On the right side underneath Content and Media, Screen Sharing, if that is toggled to the right and enabled, just click and set it over one time to turn that off, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.